Familiarizing yourself with the adult harness. The harness is your most important safety tool, along with the equipment attached to it that allows you to safely walk in the trees. It is important that you understand a few things about the harness before putting it on. We use a 5-point harness, which is color-coded to indicate what part of the body the strap corresponds to. The blue-gray strap goes over your shoulders, the red strap is your waist belt, and the black loops are for your legs. There are straps located on the back of your harness that attach to the leg loops. These straps are equally important as the rest, so be sure not to forget them. In the middle of your harness, you will see a metal loop. This is called the D-ring and is the hub of your SSB clips and your zipline trolley. It should always be in the front of your body, facing outward. Each aspect of the harness is important, and making sure it stays fitted while you're climbing is key to maintaining a safe and fun climb. You will learn how to tighten your harness as we move forward. You should use this technique while climbing if anything loosens while you climb. You may always ask a staff member for assistance in checking the fit. We are here for you. Please handle harnesses and equipment with care. Steps to putting on the adult harness. We'll have the harness laid out for you. The harnesses are color-coded for size. Blue shoulder straps are smaller, while gray shoulder straps are larger. Stand by the harness with the D-ring and attached equipment facing out from your body. Step into the harness like you would a pair of pants. As you pull up the harness, check for any twists in the straps. They should all lay flat. The black loop should be around your legs, the red belt around your waist, and the blue-gray straps over your shoulders, with the D-ring and equipment hanging in front of your body. Note: be gentle with the equipment on your body. It can be a little cumbersome, and you should be cautious of not hitting yourself or others with it. Continue to gently let the equipment hang in front of your body. This will put some pressure on the harness, which is okay. Take your time as you begin. Please put your hair up before you begin to tighten your harness. Clip the SSB clips together and place them over your head. To tighten the harness, please begin with your red waist belt. This should be above your hip bones. There are 2 black buckles on your waist that the straps are looped through. Pull back on this black buckle to release pressure and pull the slack to tighten. Tighten each side a little at a time to ensure evenness. There are black elastics on each band of your waist belt. These are to go around the slack you have pulled to help keep the harness in place. These are important to make sure you have secured the slack on your harness. Next, move on to tightening your leg straps. I would suggest to over-tighten your leg straps a little in the beginning to help keep the harness in place. Later, you can loosen them to whatever feels most comfortable for walking. While you are climbing, you may want to tighten or loosen these to your comfort level as you work your way around the various obstacles. I like to tighten my leg straps before I jump off the platform for a zip line. Before moving on, there are straps located in the back of your harness that help attach the leg loops in the back. These should be adjusted to your comfort level, and they should also help keep the harness from riding up your back and allow the harness to stay in place. These can be tightened by pulling back on the black buckle with one hand and pulling the slack with the other. Now tighten each shoulder strap the same way you did your waist and legs, a little at a time. It's a good idea to run your hands along the strap to check for any twists as you tighten these straps. All straps should lay flat. Fit of your harness. Now we can check the fit of your harness. A good way to test the fit of your harness is to take a flat hand and insert it between your body and the red waist strap. Make a fist and try to pull your hand back through. If you can pull it back through, it is not tight enough. If you can't, your harness is fit properly, as long as a mild comfortability is achieved as well. To check the fit of your shoulder straps, take your hands and try to pull the straps off your shoulders. If they easily fall, they should be tightened more. You don't want them to easily slip off your shoulders. Rather, you want them to stay in place. To check the fit of your leg straps, raise both arms above your head and reach. If the harness is pulling up in an uncomfortable way, your legs may need to be loosened. This will also give you a better idea of the fit of your shoulder straps as well. If the harness is causing you any pain, it's too tight, ask a staff member for assistance if necessary. There's a pouch located on your red waist belt. This is for your zipline trolley. please put the hook side into the holster first. There are gloves located by the exit that you may use for free, or you can purchase a pair of gloves from our cashier before you leave the building if you haven't already. A staff member will now check your harness to make sure everything is fit properly. Once you have your gloves, please proceed outside the harness shop. A park monitor will take a group down to our safety briefing area, where you will learn more about your equipment, as well as the rules and operations of the park. To remove the harness after your climb, begin loosening the black leg straps first, followed by the red waist strap, before finally the 2 shoulder straps. Take the SSB clips off your head and gently lower the equipment to the ground.